natural disasters. My baby has been around.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm doing a autumn makeup tutorial, or like a fall, autumn, whatever you want to call it, glam makeup tutorial. So this is perfect for those of you who celebrate Thanksgiving. All you Americans, Thanksgiving seems like such a cute and like cozy holiday. I wish it was celebrated here, but it's not. So anyway, I uploaded one of these videos last year and I just thought it's a perfect time to upload kind of like a glam makeup look. And I absolutely love fall colours, orange and pinks and just like smoky warm tones. I always use those colours on my eyes, so this is like kind of my go-to lookish. I do this kind of look all the time when I'm going out and like when I'm going to parties and stuff, so to say the least, I love this kind of look. And this makeup tutorial is cruelty free, so that's great.
Bubble in my throat.
If you want to see how I did my makeup today, stay tuned. Also subscribe if you aren't already. Click the bell button to be notified whenever I upload. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. And let's get on with the video.
Let the ocean move you. Open up your mind to let the fire find you. I will be your lightning. Let the feeling take you. Let it be what makes you.
Look what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you.
You're dressing like a Sunday morning. Hey, your eyes look like little islands in the light. Hazel like green and white sheets. You're grinning like a Friday night. Yeah, you're smiling like. Right now I miss you for life. It's not going away. I thought I'd be okay. Yeah, I still think about the time I spent just trying to grow with you. Maybe I was out of line, but you weren't there.
We were like an empty glass. These things weren't built to last. So put your face on and smile when they talk to you.
So that was it for the look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Request other like makeup tutorials or makeup looks if you do want me to do more makeup videos. I don't know. And also if you like this kind of video when I'm just having music and like not really talking, or if you prefer chit chat, like talk through makeup looks, or when I chit chat for a long time. Or if you want a mix, which is probably what I prefer, like a mix of all three different types. But yeah, here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all and appreciate every single one of you so much, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to check my merch out, by the way. It's always linked down below. My hair, bitch. Never know what to do with this pile of shit for hair. One sec.
Body was in a match. Yeah, boy.